Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID you'll use for family sharing. Make sure you're signed into iCloud on your device. Next, open Settings and go to Family Sharing. This central hub controls purchases, storage, location, and parental features. Tap Add Family Member and choose either Invite People or Create a Child Account. The difference matters because child accounts get parental controls automatically. Once done, send the invite via messages or enter the child's details, and wait for the invite to be accepted on their device. Once family members are accepted, configure what you share. Start with iCloud Plus. Pick the plan, enable shared storage, and assign space if needed. Then enable purchase sharing so App Store, Apple Books, and Apple TV purchases can be shared. Make sure the organizer confirms payment method. Turn on location sharing for Find My. That helps safety and device recovery. For children, set screen time and content and privacy restrictions. These settings control downloads, web access, and in-app purchases. Make adjustments member by. To finish, verify every participant appears under family members in settings and confirm shared services are active on each device. If someone didn't get an invite, resend it, have them sign out and back into iCloud, or confirm they used the same Apple ID. Mismatched ID are the most common issue. If you hit storage limits, either upgrade the iCloud Plus plan or free up space by removing large backups or files. Finally, make sure the organizer remains the family manager. Without that role, changes can fail.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.